Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying Aqua Wax number 5. Stay tuned for more tips.
Caught in a landslide, lost underground.
Aqua Wax number 5 with a forest fruit fragrance. It will create long-lasting styles for your hair with a medium shine and compact look.
Close to midnight, he'll fade me down.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now would you